Hey, good day everybody. I'm making a video on this feature that we just brought back because I've got a lot of feedback on this. This is the OpenBOM for SOLIDWORKS order BOM like CAD structure. We just brought this back in the August 2025 release. I know there's been a lot of interest in that, so let me go ahead and run this BOM for you quickly. And you will see over here on the right a nice looking bill of material coming out in the OpenBOM flyout. And pay attention to these part numbers over here. We're going to see it ordered just like this feature tree. Okay. Here we go. Let's go ahead and load that into the flyout. Again, kind of look at this like 9906, 9907, 9904. That's our top numbers there. Over here, 9906, 9907, 9904. Okay, so with that turned on, you will get a bill of material that is ordered like the SOLIDWORKS feature tree. That's the August 2025 release. Give it a try.